Take away the excess dirt. Spray surface care on the surface. Wipe dry with paper towel or microfiber cloth. Let the surface dry for 15 minutes. If grease has penetrated the wood and treatment with surface care was not sufficient, we recommend using Rubio Monocoat Grease Remover. Spray the grease remover on the surface. Let absorb for 1 to 2 minutes. Put a paper towel or cloth onto the stain and dab carefully. This way, the grease will absorb into the cloth. Do not rub or put local pressure on the spot. To remove stubborn stains, it's recommended to repeat the process until the desired result is achieved. Rinse the whole surface thoroughly using a damp cloth or clean the surface with surface care.